Okay guys, welcome back to my channel video. And in the video before, we have been explained about the three level in the Cisco router or switch, or maybe in Cisco devices. Okay, and in this video we will be explaining, as I promised, to be learning about basic command in Cisco. So maybe a couple minutes ahead, you will be know about how to configure the host, how to change the host name, to enable password, and to enable password, and then how to look your history of the configuration have you been changed, and then how to delete or maybe uh, delete some configuration. Okay, so let's start. Get into the Cisco packet tracer. Maybe I want to reset this. When you want to save your no. Okay. Let's get into the router. Maybe we just get into the logical, or maybe in the physical for more. Uh, get to the switch. I want to use table, but I forget what is the place of the table. Where is the table? I don't see that. Here. Hey, and then the PC. PC. I want to get put in here, and then so where is the console cable? Console. Aduh, sorry. Console cable in RS232, and then the spec rear the console. Okay, the plug. Then we get into the PC, desktop, and then terminal. Then okay, and then the first thing we want to do is to change the host name, so the switch in here. So we will be put some the host name will be the host name of the switch is, maybe I want to uh, IDN switch. Okay, so the name is host, the comment is maybe we have to go into the configuration file, global configuration mode conf t, and then we change it here, host name IDN switch, IDN switch, just like this, switch. You look that the host name of the switch, it will be safe changed, I mean. And then how we want to enable some password. If you look this at this, so we exit first, exit and exit. So we are in the user mode. So how to configure if we want to get to the privilege mode more safely and secure. So we have to enable password to get into the privilege mode. If we just do this, it's uh, directly it's get into the privilege mode is directly, so there is no secure or maybe security and safely. Okay, go to the configure terminal again, conf, and then to enable password you can do it by two ways. So the first way is enable password, and then the password you want 1 2 3 4, maybe it's just some like example. So if we want to do that, exit. If you try again, so we are in the user mode. If we try to get into the privilege mode in, so there is the password. We have to insert the password to get into the privilege mode. And then there is no type. So usually if you type some password in the Linux or maybe in any devices, it will be shows like this, that it's star symbol. But in this Cisco devices, it's not like that. It's more secure, and then there is no show on the screen. So if you again, if you type wrong password, it will be like this. It will be repeat, and after you correct the password, it will be get into the net. But if you use command, if you use the command enable password to active the password, it's not secure, because if you show running config, it will be shows like this. It's not encrypt and easy to what easy to hack, easy to it's our devices, it's easy to hack by hacker. Okay, so how to enable the encryption of the password? If you want to the know encryption of the password, it's just like this. If you have to get into the configure terminal again, and then enable service encryption, enable service encryption service. Okay, I'm wrong. Enable password encryption. Okay, maybe I want to see service password encryption. Okay, I'm wrong. Enable. So to do the encryption of the password, you have to put this command service password encryption and then enter. If you look into the show running config again. So the show running config is for or maybe just type show run. Oh, okay. Do show run, because we are in the uh, global configuration mode. So you have you will be see the password will be encrypted, but this password is easy to get decrypt, because it's there is apps, or maybe in the Google, if you Google it, decrypt Cisco password 7. You just put the encrypted password, it will be decrypt. Look at that. So it's so easy to hack by hacker. So maybe there is another way that is more secure than these things, because it's easy to decrypt. So how to do it? But I have I if you want to disable this password or maybe delete this configuration, just type no in the first of the command of the service or maybe configuration. So if you want to disable this password, just no enable password, no enable why I'm okay, I'm in the not in the configure terminal, no enable password. Okay, if we see again, do show running config, do show run, look at it, no service. Okay, we don't have no service password encryption. Okay, we see again, do show run, see that? Okay, there is no password. So also I maybe you get confused because I use do command. So do command is, look at my notes. So do command is it's if we want to execute some privilege mode command, but we are in the configure terminal mode, global configuration mode. So if you want to do some command that is basically it's the owner of the command is privilege modes, just put some do, because if we don't show running config, it will be error or maybe valid input detected. But if you put that in the privilege mode, running config, show running config, it will be not error. But if you try again in config, show with do show run, it will be shows too. Okay, it will be clear. We have to uh, enable some password that more safely. So the command is get into the configure terminal first. The command is enable secret. Maybe I want to 1 2 3 4 5. If you don't believe, we show running. Okay, do show run. It will be encrypted like just like this. It's, I don't know what is it. What is that thing? Okay, it's more stably. Okay, but maybe there is some in the Chrome like that. Where is, if we check that, uh, decrypt Cisco password 5, enable secret. Okay, there is some cracker too, so this is not. Uh, but the point is, more secure if you use enable secret. Okay, because it's more difficult. Okay, maybe yeah, it's more difficult. First length too. Yes. Where is the password? I don't know. Username, user secret file, user secret file. It didn't show up. I don't know. Yes. Continue again in our terminal. Where is it? So you have been now with this video, you have been know how to enable some secret password in here, and you have been know how about change the host name, enable some password, and then enable some more security. Have been know again about configure terminal global mode configuration. Okay, maybe just it's from my video. In next video, we will be learn how to configure the IP address in Cisco router, or maybe in the PC in the Cisco packet tracer. Maybe just no in PC, just switch. It's more same, just like the Cisco router and switch is 100% same configuration command. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video.